Statements are duly noted and entered into the records. Majority Floor Leader.
Yes, Mr. President, next to give her explanation of votes is our Deputy Minority Leader, Senator Luis Saltiveros. I move that she be recognized.
Senator Antiveros, our distinguished Deputy Minority Floor Leader, is recognized for her manifestation and her explanation of vote. You may proceed, ma'am.
Salamat Abi, Mr. President. Mr. President, I voted no to the bill expanding the authority of MTRCB since it grants the MTRCB overly broad powers to censor even speech protected by the 1987 Constitution and even material not meant for theatrical distribution. We can be specific about the materials we should protect people from. Media that, by their mere showing, constitute violations of law, including RA 7610, or the Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation, and Discrimination Act, RA 11930, or the Anti-Online Sexual Abuse or Exploitation of Children and Anti-Child Sexual Abuse or Exploitation Materials Act, and RA 9995, or the Anti-Photo and Video Voyeurism Act of 2009. Yan ang mga dapat kalaban ng MTRCB. Hindi po ang general na contrary to good morals, injurious to the prestige of the Philippines, o undermine the faith and confidence of the people in their government. More than this, Mr. President, the regulation of digital services and online content should be carefully done with legislation crafted specifically for this purpose at hindi lamang add-on sa MTRCB. Ang boses at mga sining ng mga Pilipino, offline man o online, ay kapangyarihang pag-aari ng taong bayan at protektado ng saligang batas. Ang anumang regulasyon nito ay dapat hindi labis. Salamat po. And Mr. President, while I have the floor, if I may be allowed, I wish to respond briefly to the manifestation made by the Majority Floor Leader. If I may. Salamat, Abi, Mr. President. Mr. President, the 1987 Constitution demands that the Senate continue with the impeachment proceedings already initiated without further delay. The rulings of the Supreme Court make it clear that first, impeachment is a non-legislative function of the Senate. This is Chavez versus Judicial and Bar Council, GR number 202242, 16th April 2013. And second, that non-legislative functions of the Senate are not affected by the shift from 19th to 20th Congress. This is the case of Pimentel Jr. versus Joint Committee of Congress, GR number 163783, 22 June 2004. It is true that the 19th Congress cannot bind the 20th Congress and all unfinished business will be terminated, but this is only true for any work done by us in the exercise of our legislative functions. Napakahalagang mandato po ng saligang batas ito, klaro at walang kalabuan. Once we receive the articles of impeachment, trial by the Senate shall forthwith proceed. Hahatulan tayo ng sambayanan kung hindi natin ginampanan ang tungkulin na ito sa sambayanan. Salamat, Mr. President.
Noted and entered into the records. Majority Floor Leader.
Yes, Mr. President, next to